Wait. Wait, guys. Do you think we're crashing? Let's go back. That was kind of not good. Okay, guys, we're gonna go. And this time, let's crash into the walls. Oh! We just really broke the wall. Bro, what did we just do? Okay, let's go. Guys, we're gonna crash. Oh! And that's what happens when you always do that. Oh, guys, we're just going this way. Let's go this way. We just crashed. Oh, we just flipped it back. What have I done now? What? Come on. Like, what do I have to do there? Oh. Look at us.
Look. Look.
My brother.
Oh!
Oh.
Crash it!
We just crashed it, guys. And we fall down. Wait.